If you are still struggling with getting keywords or topics to make video on your small channel, then pay close attention to this video, because I'm going to be showing you how you can use a free tool that is made available for every YouTube creator, all right, on their YouTube studio, all right, to get keywords that is going to rank on your small channel and get you more views, all right. So just stay true to the end of this video if you are interested in learning what I'm about to teach you. If you look right here on my screen, you are going to see it, all right. Get ideas for your next video, all right, what people are looking for, and you can click here to see more of it, all right. So we are going to get back to this particular place, and I'm also going to show you how you can locate this even on your phone or on your laptop, right? I'm also going to show you how you can get to this place on your YouTube studio app, right? So let's jump in right into it. If you have visited my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Cynthia, and on this channel I talk about make money online, cryptocurrency, and lots more. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you know what you are going to do right now. Let me know in the comment section so that I can welcome you to this wonderful tribe and give you your own popcorn, all right? So that is it. Let's get straight into our video, all right? So you can check out my channel. I have other quality videos here that you can watch and learn from, all right? So let's get started. To get to this aspect of YouTube, all right, first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio, all right. So you can see it here. Go to my YouTube studio, all right. So it's opening. When you get to your YouTube studio, you scroll down to this place, all right. Just click on analytics, all right. So when you click on analytics, you are going to see how many things you can see overview, content, audience, revenue, and inspiration, all right. So you just go to inspiration, all right. So you get to inspiration, then you're going to see exactly what I just showed you here, all right. So you're going to see these details. It's going to vary. My own is not going to be the same with your own, because YouTube gets these ideas from what people are watching on your channel, all right. Then from there they give you topics that they feel your audience will also be interested in, all right. And also they give you ideas, they give you video ideas that people are searching for on your channel, all right. So just stay true to the end of this video. Let me show you how you can do that, all right. So let's continue. I don't know why this thing is taking. Okay, that's finished loading. All right, so to see more of this, all you just have to do is to click on show all, all right. So you click on show all, you can see the difference. Every day this thing keeps changing every day, all right. So if you get at least every day, you can come here, pick one or two ideas and run with it, all right. I've made a video from one of the topics I got here, and that video is really doing very well on my channel, and I think you should also try it out, all right. So let's take one or two videos from here and go to YouTube, put it on search, and see some of the results you get. You are going to see that the result you are going to be seeing is going to be similar to people. You are going to be seeing channels that have low subscribers. That is to show you that these videos can actually rank on your small channel, all right. Depending, even as a big YouTuber, you can as well use this tool to get keywords for your channel, all right. I use vidIQ Premium. You can see it's right here on my screen, all right. I use vidIQ Premium. You can see it here on my screen. But then, even if you don't have vidIQ Premium, you can as well just use this tool to get keywords for your channel, all right. So that is it. Let's check out some of these keywords. Let's see, which one should I go for? How to make money online for students. Okay, let me just copy this and go to YouTube, all right. So just put it here, how to make money online as a student. You can see, okay, so this is it. How to make money online as a student. How to make money online as a student. Okay, 5 profitable side hustles students can start in 2024. This video is just 3 weeks ago, and it has gotten 81,000 views. In as much as this person is actually a big channel, but your own small channel can as well give you a lot of views with this same topic, all right. You can do more SEO on your keywords, your thumbnail, and more to get more views just using some of the keywords that you get from. In fact, every day you can get as high as 2 to 3 keywords, and with that you're never going to run out of content to post on your channel. All right, I use this particular aspect of YouTube, and I as well use my vidIQ to get keywords, and it has been really helpful, and that's the reason why I decided to share it with you guys. I hope you got value from this video. I hope you're getting value from this video. Right, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. At least I know that I'm giving you valuable content right here. And so the least thing you can do for me right now to support me is to hit the subscribe button, and also like this video. You can as well share it with your friends who have small YouTube channels that they are still looking for how to get keywords to create content on every day. All right, so I'm also going to, like I said before in the beginning of this video, that I'm going to also show you how you can access this on your smartphone, that is on the YouTube Studio app. This is for those who are not using laptop, that want to use their app to actually access this area. All right, so I'm also going to make a video on that and show you guys on this same video. All right, so I'm going to join the two of them together and show you, so that you can see that this thing actually works both for laptop and your phone. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educative and quality videos. See you on the continuation of this video. Bye. All right, so this is how you can locate the inspiration tool on your YouTube Studio app. All right, so what you need to do is log into your YouTube Studio app. All right, then you click on analytics. You can see it right here on my screen. After you click on analytics, you're going to see it is the first thing here. You can see it right here on my screen. All right, after it you now see overview and go. All right, so just click on inspiration and you are going to see what I just talked about on my laptop. All right, so that is it. I hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video, so that more people will get to see and learn from it. Thank you for watching. Bye.